What's my YouTube channel? My name is Osibiriti. On this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to delete video on Poppo Live. So, if you want to delete a video you posted on Poppo Live, sit tight and watch this video to the very end. All you need to do is to log in your Poppo Live on your Poppo Live account, just like this. You click on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you click on the profile icon, you click on this. Click on your profile on the top of your screen, and you can see the option of moments. You can see the data there, moments. Click on moments, and you can now see the things you post on your Poppo Live. So what I need to do now is to you want to delete. So if I want to delete this picture now, all I need to do here is to click on the three line dots on the top of this picture, on this picture photo. You click on it just like this, then you can see the option of delete. Click on delete. So that's picture have been deleted from my Poppo Live. If you found this video useful, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a like. See you guys in my next video. Bye.